to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want
to. I don't know where we're heading to, but Ellen has just put in the right. So we're going there for photo shoot. And I haven't vlogged as much as I should. And I'm deeply sorry. Because guys, I can't. I can't keep up.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better.
So guys, we just got here. Ellen's about to have her shoot. So that's the weather. Ellen is saying she's cold, but trust me, it's as hot as ever. I'm like, I'm kidding. Look at Ellen. Ellen is cold as F. But it's actually not. It's not cold. You can see. This is what I'm wearing, guys.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it.
More guys need to like chill and relax a bit. I'm working all the time.
You can do better. I dare you to be wild.
Too many first and I'm 199.
Beauty queens without no flaws.
That's actually
You
nice.
can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I'm advanced and I'm about to purchase this sneakers. I'm about to buy sneakers. I'm so excited about it. It's something bonus, I'll tell you guys, but I'm so excited. I need to buy and feed myself. So this is the sneakers, guys. Oh my god, it's a New Balance. The team is leaving. I'm the only one staying behind. Like, I don't know. I'm so sad right now. Guys,
You guys are waiting for XL.
everyone is leaving. Hi, Ellen.
What's your location?
Have you done it? 511.
Oh Jesus! Right details. 511.
51. No, just do check-in hotel, Cape Town.
Check hotel. Hotel check-in.
No, check-in hotel. Main road, yes. Hey, but how would I know if the driver is here?
It's 53 rand.
I'm not going to lie to you. I'm so freaking sad. I don't know. Our connection on this trip was so great. I've worked with Wesley. I've worked with Ellen. I've worked with Wesley for quite some time. So we already have that vibe. But getting to know Dion, he's really like a cool person. And I don't know. Good Wednesday always like comes to an end. So I mean, I don't know. I just don't want to cry right now, guys. It's fine. So that is the entrance or the reception area of my hotel. So sorry. I have so many things, guys. Actually, it's comfy. I love it. I'm going to be really honest. I'm so grateful to Rosé. I'm not going to lie to you. This is an experience I wish someone had or anybody has. I mean, Rosé just made this so simple. Like, I'm enjoying everything. It's how I process the... I don't know, Charlie Abuche guy. I just had to press it and then cross the road. Sorry, I'm distracted at the moment. I'm going to Waterfront. And apparently it's not far from here. In as much as there is a card on my boat that's supposed to pay for every ride that I make, I don't think it makes sense. I don't think it makes sense if I'm just going to be making rides anyhow. Good. I have to press now. Sorry guys, I'm vlogging. I'm trying to vlog. I don't know how far my house is from Waterfront, which is like the center point for shopping. But yeah. Oh goodness. Now I'm confused at this point because yes, there's zebra crossing, but the question is, how do I get to Waterfront? I'm so happy I'm just like literally close to the mall because I wouldn't have to overthink things. I wouldn't have to miss my friends or my colleague too much. Because the truth of the matter is I actually miss them. It's how some people are just looking at me because I'm vlogging at Jesus Christ. They said you should be careful in this area, so I'm being so careful. Like so careful. You know what, at this point, I don't think it makes sense if I walk because it's my first time. I actually wanted to understand the road in a sense. That's why I'm going. But at the same time, I feel so scared. So you know what? Let me just join these people. If they catch me, they catch me. Oh God, this is crazy. I don't know. You're right in my ear out. Sorry. I'm back here alone, guys. So I'm going to FNB. I don't even know where that is. But yeah, regardless, the MTN office. Let me check if it's not closed. I'll just do my eSIM. Cause yeah, why not? What she's advising is still the same, but I don't know. So let me ask them and see. I can't activate my MTN eSIM today because it's not working, which is so weird. I've seen some glasses. Let me ask. Hello. Hi. I'm okay. How are you? How much for the glasses? 1,600. How much is that in dollars, please? Okay. Sure. No, it's too big. What are you guys are picking? This could have been nice, but it's what? Guys, I need to ask. Hello. Hello, sir.
Good day, sir.
Hi, good evening. Where's the FNB bank?
2 meters down, inside the banking hall right there.
Okay.
On the left hand side.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Guys. So apparently it was just below me. And I claimed, hey, Rebecca, I climbed up. And then I climbed up all the way to where? Mijimi. This is so beautiful. Like I saw this experience is dope. Experiencing abroad alone. Looks fun. Okay, this is the banking hall.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. $308.
Coca.
08 Coke.
Coca-Cola, ne? Give you a Coke.
Yeah. Guys, I don't even know what to do, what to sit. Because like there's a lot of people here and I don't even know where to go to. Probably I should figure out how to eat around one of these places. Trying to see if I can find a place to eat. I don't hope I just don't go to the wrong spot. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. So guys, it's so late and I'm now here. I'm about to eat my KFC. I got KFC which cost about, it was like 73.90 rands. I'll convert that and tell you guys, maybe. Oh my god. For a second, I thought I threw my Coke straw away. This is what I got. I don't know. It's so weird how now their Coke tastes so good for me. Initially, I didn't like their Coke. Guys, I can't be doing this in vlogging. I have to go. What's up, guys? Oh my god, this place is so beautiful. I don't know. It's so beautiful. Anyway, my ride is here. I've got to go. I came for a meeting. I don't know if you guys saw it, but yeah. Hey guys, so I just got done freshening up. I'm getting ready. I'm going out. So how about I take you guys along with me basically? So this is just gonna be a day in my life. I don't know how that's gonna pan out, but I hope this video comes out well. I'm gonna dress very basic for today because it's sunny outside. I'm gonna be wearing this singlet. I'm supposed to actually wear an actual singlet, this one, but it's dirty. And so I'm gonna be putting on this one. I didn't yet apply my pomade. I have to put the pomade on my body very well and I have to spray everywhere. But I'm gonna be wearing this one. Something simple. I don't know if they will restrict me for wearing this. And I'm gonna put on this sweatpants. So guys, let me tell you something funny that just happened. You know I told you guys I was going to do some white singlet on top of this sweatpants, right? I changed my mind. I'm actually doing this brown singlet. This brown singlet for the sweatpants. I don't know if it matches, if it makes sense, but yeah, this is the fit. I'm just gonna find some slippers to wear and off I go. Out guys, it's been just crazy trying to get this and some cookie. I got it now, but I need to protect my stuff because my wallet and my passport and everything is in my bag. And if I don't protect it well, they tell me how crazy this place is, so I need to be very particular about it. So that's just it, guys. Look at outside, so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I said I was just going for some few walks and then I'll head back to the apartment. Look at me. Now I've turned into a vlogger and I'm vlogging everything.